exploring the beauty of a mechanical symphony. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that beautifully combines the worlds of machinery and music: mechanical symphony. This term might sound complex at first, but don't worry. We'll break it down together, exploring its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your own conversations. So, let's get started on this intriguing journey. At first glance, mechanical symphony may seem like a contradiction. The word mechanical refers to something related to machinery or tools, often implying a sense of precision and repetition. On the other hand, a symphony is a complex piece of classical music that involves an orchestra, evoking emotions, creativity, and harmony. When combined, mechanical symphony suggests a harmonious blend of mechanical sounds that create a rhythm or music-like experience. It's often used metaphorically to describe the sound of well-coordinated machinery, like a factory where every machine works in perfect harmony, or the intricate workings of a clock. The term mechanical symphony doesn't have a single point of origin. Instead, it's a poetic expression that has been used in various contexts to describe the aesthetic beauty of mechanical operations. Writers, artists, and engineers might use it to convey the complex beauty of machines working together seamlessly. It's particularly popular in contexts where the sound or sight of machinery evokes a sense of awe or admiration. For example, watching a complex assembly line where each part moves in sync with the others can be described as a mechanical symphony. Let's look at how mechanical symphony can be used in everyday language. Describing a car engine. When the mechanic fine-tuned my car's engine, it ran like a mechanical symphony, with every part working in perfect harmony. In art and literature, an artist might create a sculpture or installation that moves and makes sounds, calling it a mechanical symphony, to highlight the blend of art and engineering. In technology, a software developer might describe a complex, well-optimized system as a mechanical symphony, emphasizing its efficiency and coordination. We hope you enjoyed exploring the meaning and beauty behind the phrase mechanical symphony. It's a testament to how language can evolve and adapt, blending concepts to describe the world in new and exciting ways. Whether you're marveling at the harmony of machinery or the intricate design of technology, remember that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll uncover more fascinating aspects of the English language.